Another fine vehicle offered by ReagorAutoMall.
This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes a sunroof, power windows, a CD player, airbags, a four-wheel anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 36,000 miles. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, delivers reliable and solid performance. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
ReagorAutoMall is located at 1211 19th Street in Lubbock. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.